In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Xero in just about 5 minutes. Managing your financial data efficiently is crucial for any business or individual using Xero for their accounting needs. Whether you're preparing for tax season, performing an audit, or simply backing up records, exporting your data from Xero is a fundamental skill you'll want to have in your toolbox. Let's dive into the process step by step, ensuring you can follow along easily and execute this task without any hiccups. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Xero website. It's the starting point of our little journey today. Once you've arrived at their homepage, you'll notice a variety of options and menus. However, our focus will be on the top right corner of the page. Here you'll find the Login button. Clicking on this will take you one step closer to accessing your financial data. After clicking on Login, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. This includes your email address and password. It's important to ensure that the information you enter here is accurate to prevent any access issues. If you've forgotten your password or are experiencing trouble logging in, Xero provides helpful links to reset your password or to contact their support team. Once you've successfully entered your email and password, it's time to click on the Login button. This will grant you access to your Xero dashboard. The dashboard is your command center. From here, you can access a wide range of financial information and tools provided by Xero. Now, moving on to the core of today's tutorial, exporting your data. On your dashboard, you'll want to navigate to the accounting section. This is typically found on the top navigation bar, but depending on updates or changes to the interface, its location might differ slightly. Within the accounting drop-down menu, you'll find the option labeled Chart of Accounts. Go ahead and click on it. This action will redirect you to a new page where your accounts are listed. On the Chart of Accounts page, you're now positioned to perform the export. Look for an Export button. This might require a bit of scanning through the page, as it's usually located above the list of your accounts. The icon or text for the Export button is designed to be intuitive, but if you're having trouble finding it, it's often near other functionalities such as Add Account or Import. Once you've found and clicked on the Export button, Xero will proceed to prepare a downloadable file that contains your chart of accounts data. The format of this file is usually in CSV or Excel, which makes it compatible with a variety of spreadsheet applications for further analysis, storage, or sharing purposes. And there you go. Just like that, in roughly 5 minutes, you've successfully exported your chart of accounts from Xero. This data can serve multiple purposes and is crucial for reporting, financial analysis, and ensuring that your records are backed up outside of the Xero platform. A few things to remember. Ensure your internet connection is stable during this process to avoid any interruptions, and be aware of where your downloaded files are saved to easily locate them afterward. Before we wrap up, remember that exporting data regularly is a good practice to ensure you have up-to-date backups of your financial information. It's also beneficial when working with accountants or financial advisors who may need access to your data in a format that's easily shareable and reviewable. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this tutorial has made the process of exporting data from Xero straightforward and manageable for you. Whether you're a small business owner, an accountant, or just someone who likes to keep their finances tidy, mastering these digital tools is invaluable. If you've got any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out or leave a comment. Until next time, happy accounting.